Dear viewer, we know in industrial automation, automatic transfer switch is an important device. Today I will show the ATS connection diagram. So let's go start. First we open the ATS software. Go to the library function. Here is different elements. By using this we can make the automatic transfer switch. First we take into supply unit. One is a rename as a generator, another is rename as a PDB. We take a motor for a load. We consider this motor as a load. Take three-phase open conductor of magnetic conductor that we use in this circuit. We have to use two magnetic conductor for making this automatic transfer switch. Complete the connection diagram of this transfer switch magnetic conductor to the load. There we are. So we connect to another power supply to this load. That means generator power supply. One is generator power supply and another is PDB power supply. Normally this load will be start by using the generator power. When generator power will be stopped, then within 1 second the PDB power will be supplied to the load. For we're taking another normally open contact. Now we will take the magnetic conductor. Take an on delay timer. Now we connect all element. Now we take another neutral point. We know for that completing a control circuit we need neutral point also. Now we connect all the element to each other. This control circuit is used for the PDB power controlling. Our PDB power control circuit is almost completed. Now we draw the another control circuit for generator unit. Same element we need for one stop switch. By using this switch we can stop the generator power. In our circuit we cannot show the live, so we use this switch as a stop the power. Normally close contact, we need another close contact. One contactor is used for as a timer, one contactor used for on a magnetic conductor. We have to use another magnetic conductor that used for the supplying of power to the load. We take another neutral point. Now all connection diagram of this ATS circuit is almost completed. Now we rename of the defined element. This is stop switch. This is also stop switch for generator. This contact is of a timer for, so that first we have to rename the timer, define the timer. Is T1. This is first magnetic conductor is named KM, that is for the controlling PDB power. We use the conductor T1 is for lacing circuit. When one other circuit is on, another power supply cannot be supplied. When one power supply is to the load, another power supply to, that means we using this for to both of power cannot be supplied at a time. This conductor is KM1 for generator power and KM for the PDB power. All elementary name is completed except motor. Save. Before this control circuit, we start firstly we supply the PDB power, but we want to first supply the generator power. For that we using this KM conductor. One contact is to be for the timer power. This our control circuit is almost completed. Now we put the 1 second, go to the simulation. Now we want to simulate this circuit. Start simulation. You see that first is running with the generator power. When generator power is off, 1 second, within 1 second PDB power will be supplied. When you stop the PDB power, it automatically go to the generator power. When the generator power stop, 1 second will be go to the PDB power. So here, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thank you for watching.